ground. Hello, Everglades 443 is Alpha runway. Let it right, we're going to the last call. That's 443, take out, taxi to parking via Alpha. Fireman's waiting on you. Alright, thank you, via Alpha, Everglades 443. Guys should be a radio host. State ground, flight design 235 Kilo Bravos at the old T hangars, requesting departure 300. I have information in you. Flight support 235 Kilo Bravo, ground runway 9 right, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 5. 9 right via Alpha, cross runway 5, 235 Kilo Bravo. So when you flew that one day that we were chatting and I went home, was everything cleaned up perfect for you by the time you got out here?
What day was that?
It's Wednesday maybe? Tuesday? Might have been Tuesday. You had a 3 o'clock. I was trying to squeeze in before it.
No, I don't think so. I'm pretty sure we canceled.
Oh, did you? We are on tower. State tower flight sign 235 Kilo Bravo, holding short 9 right, ready to depart. Flight support 235 Kilo Bravo, state tower runway 9 right, clear for takeoff, turn left on course, wind 1206. Clear to takeoff, runway 9 right, turn left on course, 235 Kilo Bravo. Why did he give me the wind? Did it change probably since... No?
Yeah, just courtesy. Just being nice.
Okay.
Winds are important to us.
Yeah. Just doing us. Alright, let's go.
Where does this go?
This way.
Okay.
4,800 RPM. Airspeed is alive. Rotate. Zero Golf Sir, approved as requested, and let me know when we're ready to continue taxi. Alright, out of shape here. See how bad the rust is today. Flight 4503, Mike, stick around runway 9, right,
What's
taxi
the next thing to do?
runway 5. We're going to turn left at 1600.
Okay. Anything else?
Flaps out.
Time checklist. That would have been flaps. What altitude we climbing to?
Well, if we're going to be doing maneuvering, we should be a little bit higher, right?
But initially, no more than 10,000 feet. We got Charlie. So it's level off.
Oh, 2,000, yeah. Sorry, I thought you were talking about where we were headed.
An hour back. I'm talking about right now.
Gotcha, sorry. And my feet are cold.
just flew into a cloud.
Alright, so wait a minute. This bottom is where I want to target, right?
Well, that's level right now, yep.
Yeah. But I'm saying this bottom here.
Okay, whatever you think. I mean, this is telling you you're at 2.5 degrees there.
Because
Pitch up, where the point is.
Okay, so I want the point to be on the line like this?
Do you?
No, because I'm descending.
Right.
So I was right
So
the
you
first
need a
time.
5-degree pitch up to maintain level. This isn't telling you level. That's telling you your relationship to the nose to the horizon here. That's all.
So basically I monitor this and this.
Right.
Okay.
Pitch plus power equals performance.
Yep.
What pitch to get level? We have to figure that out.
Okay. And then just because we've never done this before, it's still my airplane.
Your airplane,
You're
unless
just
I
like-
say my airplane.
You're just the safety pilot. Okay.
You'll see how it works. I'm purposefully not telling you too much.
Okay, right, ready for departure.
And I should be more than 4600.
Right, so takeoff, off on course, maintain class Charlie. And right, clear for takeoff, clear of the track.
Okay, what I want you to do is put your chin to your chest and close your eyes. And keep the plane flying straight and level. But don't look. I want you to close your eyes. Do not look. Just keep the plane straight and level.
Well, my eyes are closed. Oh, yeah.
That's the idea.
Gotcha.
Okay, I want your eyes closed. Do not look. Just try to do it with feeling it, which is not what you're supposed to do.
Because this will.
But I want you to see what it's like to get disoriented. So I'm going to try to make yourself disoriented. Okay?
So like the spatial disorientation.
I want you to. We're attempting to experience it.
Okay.
Okay? But try not to cheat.
No, I'm not. My eyes are closed.
Just try to keep the plane level. If you feel like it's doing something, try and make a correction. Why don't you go ahead and take a look?
Holy shit.
Okay? So you didn't even realize that we were in a diving turn.
Well, I could hear the engine rev, so I pulled up, but I didn't know I was
I
turning.
didn't really notice you pulling up.
Yeah, I was pulling up a little.
Okay, let's try this. Let's go into a turn. Go into a turn.
Just turn?
Yeah, just don't look outside. Look at your instrument. Okay, we're in a cloud. Now, if you notice, stay in a turn.
Okay.
Just keep about a 20-degree bank or so. That's good. You see us descending? Pull up a little. What happens to our bank when you do that?
It increased.
It increased, right? So, like you didn't notice it was increasing. Pull up, so you started descending again. What happens to your bank?
More increase.
Yeah, and this is how you get into one of those death spirals.
Okay.
Because you think you're level, but you're not. But you notice you're descending and you're trying to pull up, and you keep tightening it. Keep tightening it. You keep tightening it.
I'm gonna throw up.
And eventually, we die.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and recover. Don't look outside.
Okay.
Don't cheat. Only look at your instruments.
Nah, I was a little dizzy. That's why.
Okay. Well, if you start feeling queasy, we'll stop. Give me a left turn to 180. I want to either power back a little bit. And let's climb back up to 3,000 feet. If you need to add power to climb, that's fine. Just with zero flash, I don't want to get over 100 knots. Oh, I got you. So really important, let's scan. So we don't want to fixate on any one instrument. All right, we're going to look at our horizon. Are we straight and level? Airspeed? Are we climbing or not? So stay on any one thing for no more than 2 or 3 seconds. But enough to let it register in your brain what it's telling you.
Well, and let the airplane react to whatever input.
No, I'm not talking about inputs. I'm just reading the instruments.
So speed.
Scanning.
Speed. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Right?
Maybe not quite that fast.
No, but I'm saying those.
But yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, and also coordination. Huh? So we're not teaching this so you can learn how to fly in the clouds. We're teaching you how to get out of the clouds. It's an emergency procedure. If you inadvertently go in them,
Who would do that?
oh, well, you don't inadvertently.
See, you've already forgotten. That's good. That's good.
All right, so let's turn right to 270. I want you to maintain the 3,000 feet. And something else is, if you find yourself in the clouds, you want to do small adjustments. The more you bank, the more you pitch up or anything, the easier it is to get disoriented. Good. Okay. Alright, what I want you to do, I have the airplane, your airplane, and I want you to close your eyes, put your chin to your chest, and I'm going to see if I can get us into an unusual attitude. I want you to recover from it.
So just when you tell me I'll open my
When I
eyes.
say your airplane, I want you to look only at the instruments, don't look outside.
Okay.
And recover. Remember, when you're pitched up, break the stall first, then level the wings. If you're pitched down, level the wings and then pitch up. Okay? Feet off the rudders. Sorry. I want you completely off. I don't want you to know.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in the back of a van with a bag over my.
You okay?
Yeah.
You get queasy easy?
Sometimes.
Hold on, traffic, Diamond Twin Star, 215, Alpha November is an 8-mile final, runway 07, full stop, upbound.
Oh, where's the ground?
You brought us above the clouds.
Uh-oh. Alright, my airplane. Look down, close your eyes. Feet off the rudders.
Yes.
Airplane. Level first, then pitch up. You're kind of doing both at the same time. One more time.
One more time, what?
Nose, or head down, eyes closed.
Oh, sorry.
Need a little air?
Am I looking green?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just, no, I have no idea. I'm just asking.
Oh, excuse me.
You want to land in Marysville for a minute?
Oh, no, I'm good.
You lost your engine now. What would you do?
If I lost the engine now, I
Keep
would
climbing to 3,000.
Okay. I would
Just tell me.
I'd want the best glide speed,
Which is what?
which is 68 for 0 flaps, and I would want to start looking for a place to land.
Where would you land? You should always have a place to land in mind. You lost your engine. Where are you landing?
Farm field up there.
What's wrong with that runway?
Oh shit!
No, you need to now. Right after doing all those,
Yeah. What is that? Is that Marysville?
that's Marysville.
Okay.
But you should always be looking at the ground as you're cruising. Is that a good place to land? You can lose your engine anytime.
Sure.
Always keep it.
I totally didn't see the runway, but I was looking straight ahead and saying, okay, that big open spot there, I don't see any power lines. I got some time between the road and the road.
Man, this thing has some great glide.
So
Can you put it down?
oh, you want me to land? Okay. Now, in an engine out situation, you wait as long as you can before you put in the flaps, right?
You need to make it to the runway. Are we high?
Or high?
We need to get down. We don't want to run past the end of the runway. You're too fast to add flaps.
No, I'm worried about calling.
Okay. Union County traffic, flight design 235 Kilo Bravo. We are about a mile west of the field. We'll be doing a touch and go runway 9, Union County. How are you going to get down? Oh, you're too fast for 30. No, I'm sorry.
No, I'm not.
Let's do, instead of that, why don't you do a 360?
Do a 3. Oh, just go.
Yeah, but I mean, you're getting too low now. If you would have done it initially. Still, you're too high. What are you going to do? Let's try this. Let's try to do a 360. Gotta lose some altitude. Just don't pull back too much. Keep it about 60 knots. A little more right rudder. Get that all centered. All centered.
I'm pushing as hard as I can.
Oh, you're not. A little too much there. Actually, no, you go the right way. Okay, now you're set up better. Head straight for the number, so get your hand off the throttle.
11142, about 7
Head
miles
straight for the numbers.
to the north of the airport, just north of the city. Doing maneuvers at about 3,000 feet. Suffolk County.
Union County traffic, flight design 235 Kilo Bravo, short, final touch, go 9, Union County. That 360 worked out well, didn't it?
Yeah, I guess I never really thought about that.
Still a little high. Flip it, add more flaps. But you're good. Little right rudder. Get lined up. Too much bank. Too much bank. Hold it off. Right rudder. There you go.
Traffic
Sure, it's
not
lined up
available.
where we had the nose pointing over to the left almost the whole time out. Takeoff checklist. Okay.
Celsius, dew point -9 there. Altimeter 3045. 5.
You're about 15 knots too fast there. 15 knots, what airspeed should we be climbing at?
Kennedy Airport. Automated weather.
Oh, 67.
1,
62.
8, Zulu.
What about VY?
Wind. 1, 2,
That's wrong,
0,
62.
at 5.
I got
What's
that.
VY for 0 flaps?
Clear,
70,
1, 2,000.
82.
Temperature, minus 8 Celsius. Dew point,
I got that. I swear I got this out of the POH.
3.
Well, the POH is wrong. 62 is really wrong.
Union
62 works
Airport.
much better.
Automated weather observation. 143 Niner. Zulu weather. Wind 130 at 4. Visibility 7.
Lost your engine. Union County traffic, flight design 235 Kilo Bravo. Simulated engine out. We'll be doing a touch and go runway 27, Union County. Don't stall it. Get to the runway. Where's the runway? That's glide. Got a little bit of a tailwind. For the numbers. Don't be short. Now you got it. Add some flaps, make it a normal landing. Add some more flaps, you're even high. Man, this thing glides nicely. Wow, oh, we got a tailwind is why.
We should go around, shouldn't we? No, we can't because it's emergency landing. We'll just have to do a full stop.
Go right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. Left bank, right rudder. Bank. Into the wind. Go. Right rudder, hold that rudder in.
Traffic not available.
You're wanting to push left rudder for some reason. Why?
I have no idea. I don't feel like I'm doing it, but I know you're telling me I am.
Yeah. We're a little low to go to 0 flaps there.
Okay. I thought it was clear of obstacles, so it was okay.
Well,
Still get some more altitude.
Above that, yeah.
Okay. So you said I'm what? I'm using too much left rudder?
Well, we had wind coming from the left.
Okay.
No, you're too much right. You didn't have it banked into the wind either.
I got you. But my angle of attack to the runway was good that time, and in other words, the way I turned to the numbers and everything was.
Initially, we were heading straight there. Then at one point, I think you wanted to kind of get on a base leg, get lined up. But there's a long runway there. Just get over the runway. Don't be short.
Gotcha. Yeah, you're right. I did try to do a little bit of a base leg.
Ohio State Tower 8 is information Juliet, time 1353 Zulu weather, wind 120 at 4, visibility 7 miles, skies clear below 12,000, temperature -7, dew point -9, altimeter 3047. Expect the ILS visual approach, landing and departing runway 9 right, 9 left. VFR departures provide ground control with yaw course heading in degrees. Notice to airmen, runway 523 closed, taxiway hotel closed. Advise on the initial contact, you have information Juliet.
Tower, flight design 235 Kilo Bravo is 8 miles to the northwest. I have information Juliet requesting full stop.
That's for 235 Kilo Bravo, stay tower, report crossing the outer belt, final runway 9 right. Report crossing the outer belt for final on 9 right, 235 Kilo Bravo.
I don't know that I've ever got that call before. That's different. Wow.
I'll make the call. I want you to concentrate on the instruments here.
You said you'll make the call?
I'll make the call.
Okay.
If it was really that, he wouldn't bother calling. You'd already be clear to land.
Okay.
Because it's an emergency.
Stay tower, 5 Kilo Bravo's over the belt. Let's pull 5 Kilo Bravo, stay tower, runway 9 right, clear to land, wind 140 at 8.
Clear land 9 right, 235 Kilo Bravo. Now why did you back the power off?
I don't know.
Okay. No, that's okay. I'm just asking a question.
Okay.
Actually, go ahead and follow the glide slope down.
I honestly don't have a good answer. It was just my gut.
Okay, that's all right. That's
Okay.
right. That's all right. That wasn't necessarily bad.
Okay.
Let's slow down though, because we are 2 miles out.
Yeah.
Don't pitch up to slow down because we still need to descend. Just pull that power back.
Okay.
Let's slow down even more. Let's get down to 80 knots.
You want me to put flaps in or not?
At 80 knots?
Yeah. I just meant general.
No, actually, let's do flaps up. Because in the clouds, you want to make as little change as possible. Yeah, that glide slope's a little low. Alright, let's, you flew out of the clouds. Let's just fly visually now.
Okay.
Because we are a little, got 4 reds. I don't like the glide slope. So if you want to add 5, up to you.
I'll do 0.
Alright, so you see how that can take you right to the runway.
Yeah, exactly.
So good. Yeah, we got a little crosswind. Get over to the right a little more. Oh, hold your rudder, just more bank, that's the way you do it. A little bit of right rudder. A little bit more right rudder. Oh, push forward, small corrections.
Jeez.
There you go. No, that was nice.
Okay.
I like that a lot.
You like that? Okay. You know I hate tail down so steep, but I did the right thing, right? I didn't nose over, which is...
Yep, you were doing nice. You were getting a little nervous there at the end.
Okay.
I think, and you started over controlling.
Okay.
Let's pull 5 Kilo Bravo, exit Charlie, Alpha to parking, monitor ground point 7 ramp.
Exit Charlie, Alpha to parking, monitor ground, 235 Kilo Bravo. I want to take the flaps up. Yeah, that's, we've talked about that a lot. When I get the tail way down, it makes me nervous.
Right, clear to land, wind 130 at 7.
But, helmet, right, Mike.